Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to fix Instagram note feature not showing. So I'm just going to tell you the exact way to do that. So if you want to do that, just make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Play Store or App Store, and then go to search section, and then here search for the Instagram app. Once you get search the Instagram app, if you see the update option over there, just simply click on that option to get the latest version of that app. So once you get the latest version of that app, just simply open up your Instagram app and go to the message list on the top right, and refresh that page to see that you have get your note option or not. So if this method doesn't work for you, just simply turn on activity status. So first of all, just go to your profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right and select settings and privacy, and then select message and story replies and go to show activity status and enable the activity status, and come back to your message list and then refresh the page to see that you have get the note option or not. So I hope this will help you to solve the problem. I also recommend you to check the other latest videos on the end screen. Thanks guys.